Hey guys, welcome to another segment of the Scrap Metal Art edition. As you can see on the table, we have something similar to the last one, but completely different. The last one we did had some of the same few parts, like some rebar and a shovel and some round piece stock and some square stock in there. It's going to be completely different. So go ahead and get your guesses ready, and let's make something cool today. Alright guys, so that's it for today's Scrap Metal Art video. So remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. And as always guys, have a great day.